Hello everyone, it's Miss Paul. I miss you all so much. And this week we are going to be talking about characters. So I want you to remember that our learning goal this week is for students to explain the relationship between characters. So let's talk about who characters can be. A character can be a person, just like Molly Lou Millen. It could be an animal, just like Jasper Rabbit from Creepy Carrots. Or a character could be a thing, like the bad seed. He's just an ordinary sunflower seed. Let's also talk about what characters can do. They can do lots of things, just like think. Like the good egg. He's always thinking about the good things that he can do. Or feel. This is Camilla Cream from A Bad Case of the Stripes. She's always feeling so worried that her friends won't like her. And if you think about it, all characters have some sort of action. They act. The one thing that I want you to remember is that characters change throughout a story. Just like a character could start off being afraid at the beginning of a story, but end up being brave at the end. A character could start being very sad, but by the end of the story be very happy. Or, a character could start off being unkind, but change by becoming friendly by the end of the story. I want you to think about the story Lily's Purple Plastic Purse. At first, Lily starts out very, very fun and excited to learn, and then Mr. Slinger takes her things away from her, and she starts to be angry and mean to him. But by the end, Lily feels terrible for what she's done to Mr. Slinger. She apologizes to him, and he forgives her. Lily changed a lot throughout this story. So why are we talking about characters? Good readers think about the characters as they read. So I want you to remember our learning goal. Students explain the relationship between characters. So I want you to think about, how do your characters think, feel, and act throughout any of the stories that you read? But most importantly, I want you to think about how your characters change throughout your story, and how does it affect their relationship with other characters, just like Lily and Mr. Slinger.